My name's Mark Woolley. I'm the founder and creative director of Electric in London. Today we're going to show you on Isabella's hair how we're going to create a really nice volume look. The first step is to shampoo and condition the hair with the correct products. So we've used P1 and P2, which is Colour Protect shampoo and conditioner. We're going to start by using C2 smoothing cream, and this just gives a perfect foundation to the hair without weight and a perfect smooth finish. Rub it into my hands and fingers and start to put this through the mid-lengths and the ends. Okay, so how we create volume, this is C5 Volume Liquid Mist. We're just going to pick up the roots of the hair and spray one spray at each of the roots. And this just naturally thickens the hair. And this is just going to give us the lift that we need. Just as we start blow drying, we're going to use this paddle brush, which is so easy to use at home, picks up so much hair, and it's great for just smoothing out these little flyaways around the hairline. We're now going to take some small sections with our round brush. We're just going to wrap the brush into the roots, and we're going to point the airflow of the hairdryer from the root to the tip, so we can doing everything we can to smooth the hair out. We're just going to wrap this around the brush as we go. It's really easy to do at home. Great way of getting volume at home is to just take the hair the opposite way. So I'm taking all of this hair from the back of the head and we're just bringing it forward. It works great with the product, so we get that natural volume and natural lift at the roots. So we're just coming to the end of the blow dry, wrapping it around the brush. And just when the hair's dry, I'm going to let it out of the brush. As you can see, we've got that really fantastic volume from the roots right the way through. We've got loads of natural movement in the hair. A great way to finish it is with C1 English Rose Serum. The great thing about this oil is it's made with absolute rose extract. When you rub it into your hands, it becomes non-oily at all. So we've got this really nice natural finish on the hair. Sometimes people are a little bit frightened of putting oil on the hair, that they're worried it's going to make the hair look greasy. When we've got the hair into a position we like, we take a little bit of C7 e-spray, and just from about half a metre away, we just mist this onto the hair. This allows us to finish the hair like we're on a photo shoot. The great thing about this hairspray is it doesn't feel like hairspray. Very, very light on the hair. It allows the hair to move naturally, and you just get that natural catwalk finish.